Regular property inspections protect your investment, ensure lease compliance, and create a documented maintenance history. A consistent inspection checklist makes the process efficient and professional. Welcome to TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com. Here's how to use a property inspection checklist effectively. A comprehensive property inspection checklist covers every area of the rental unit and any common areas included in the tenancy. For each room, walls, floors, ceilings, windows, doors, and any built-in fixtures. For the kitchen, appliances, cabinets, countertops, sink, and plumbing. For bathrooms, fixtures, tile, ventilation. For mechanical systems, HVAC filters, smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, water heater access. Give proper advance notice before every inspection. Most states require 24 to 48 hours written notice. Enter only during business hours unless the tenant agrees otherwise. During the inspection, note any maintenance issues for follow-up, document any lease violations observed, and check safety equipment to ensure proper function. A dated, signed checklist creates a record you can reference throughout the tenancy. For rental properties with multiple units, a standardized inspection form applied consistently across all units ensures you don't miss anything and creates comparable documentation. Our free property inspection checklist covers all major areas in a format suitable for periodic inspections. For the free form and landlord resources, visit TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com.